Guys, this is it. We made it. We are on the last cliff here. Hey guys, so we have a surprise for you. We're going on a next trip right now. Stay with us, you're gonna see some cool things. Let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
So today I'm gonna discover the bedroom. This hotel is it's named Detective, so everything is kind of hidden and you have to take a magnifier and find out some things. So my girlfriend already knows where is it, and I assume I have to find it somewhere. So it's not here?
It's a secret door.
So it's still here.
Yay!
Ta-da! Now film it. Oh, you already did.
Nope.
Good. So we are in Etretat in Normandy. We just arrived. I found the parking spot. It was a bit hard to find the 3 days tariff because it's all in French. But I figured it out, and now we're here. We're heading in the town to get some seafood eventually. Hey guys, so we are in Normandy in France, and the town, it's, I don't know, has a unique style, like a mix of English and French. Let me show you a bit around on the old center here.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
So we are heading up on the cliffs. They're called the Val cliffs, of the front or the north cliffs. We're gonna go up there. There's already a lot of people.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
The low tide is coming. You can see the beautiful rocks and algae reveal themselves. And here it's a small bridge into the cliffs. This is it. We made it. We are on the last cliff here, and you just need to enjoy this view between the steep rocks, the steep seafront. Just the nature. See you on the other side. Okay guys, so now we are heading to the North Cliff, where is the Chapelle Notre Dame de la Garde, the museum, the gardens. It's the last steps. And this is the Chapelle Notre Dame de la Garde. And then another monument over there. So it's almost 4 o'clock. We're back down from the cliffs, and you can see it's already low tide here. The water, it's gone, and you have a different view now. So guys, this was Etretat. We went also to the North Cliff. We went also to the South Cliff over there. And to end it nicely this day, because it's very hot, I recommend a bath.